Hello, Mr. Heave here, and today we're going to be making several videos about animating a person moving across a screen. Kind of like a movie screen in the background, and we're going to be making a movie animation to go on top of it. So first in the planning the screen, our screen is going to go from, we're just using X and Y here from a side view. Our screen is going to go from 1 to 10 in the X and 1 to 10 in the Y. So we got to keep that in mind. And if we switch to the top view, notice that if this is just X and Z, the Z is constantly going to be 10. We have to remember that for the next several videos, that Z is always going to be 10 whenever we're making an animation on a screen. So here, let's start up with our basic code. So you've seen these first two lines in just about every Minecraft video so far, so hopefully you know them well. This next line, import time, we're not going to use in this video, but we'll need it for future videos. Then we're going to just flatten the world if your world's not flattened already, so we have a similar place where we're starting from. And I'm going to start everyone at the same spot, 5.5018, just so we have a common place where we're all starting from. All right, so now we are going to make our screen. So to make our screen, we're going to set blocks, and we're going to go from 1 to 10 in the Y and the X. So 1, 1, 10, and then X, Y, Z is 10, 10, 10. Remember, the Z is going to be 10 throughout. Finally, our block is going to be black wool, which is 3515. So here we run it, and there is the screen they're on. You might have to rotate around a little bit to see the whole thing.